What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a very, very special day. We're taking Killmonger here to go get ceramic coated. Like, eventually I want to get it wrapped. My dream to have this car, like my dream car, is to have this thing wrapped in satin black, either PPF or even a vinyl wrap. But it's so expensive, especially here in California. It's like $2,500 to $3,000. That's the lowest quote. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get it ceramic coated. I'm actually getting it ceramic coated today by a guy. The company is called Doc Auto Spa. Actually, it came up as an Instagram ad, so I bit the bullet and I just reached out, got a quote, and it seemed pretty fair. So right now I'm driving out to LA to get this thing ceramic coated. So yeah, I'm super excited and super excited for you guys to see the process. So we're getting a little bit closer to LA, to the location where I'm getting ceramic coated today. So I actually got the vehicle washed yesterday, so it shouldn't be too dirty for the process here. So what's happening is he's gonna do, that's LA for you, but what's happening is he's gonna do a full detail wash, full polish, full ceramic coating on the entire exterior of the vehicle. So I took delivery about a month ago on the 2022 Tesla Model Y long range, and the paint didn't look too bad. I mean, I had a few blemishes that I talked about in my delivery video that didn't go as planned, but other than that, like, I didn't see like any crazy swirl marks or anything like that. But as the weeks went on, you know, I'm also a photographer, so my eye, I see everything for the most part. So I started seeing scratches, I started seeing swirl marks, and I've even hand washed the vehicle myself. Well, not hand washed, I've touchless washed and lightly hand dried the vehicle. Like, I've watched so many videos about how to wash a Tesla because it's such a tedious process. So I've taken every single precautionary step to not scratch this car, but it is, yeah, it's scratched and there's some swirl marks. And then the one thing about having a black car, you see everything, and then as well as like my eye, I see everything. So hopefully today, his name is also James, which is ironic. Hopefully James can get all those things corrected and adjusted and looking good. So I'm gonna get back on the road here. So I just pulled up to the garage here, and he's already quick away at it, already working on the vehicle. But we're gonna talk to him and get some insight of exactly what's going on today, what exactly ceramic coating is, and what exactly he's going to be doing to the vehicle today.
All right, yeah, this is James with Doc Auto Spa. So today we're doing our entry-level 1-year durability ceramic coating. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do like the full exterior details, so like the wash, the paint decontamination, and then the coating. Right now I'm cleaning up the wheels and tires. Once I clean that up, then I'll start washing the rest of the car.
great. James killed this. It is not too bright. But yeah.
I can show you the water beating too.
Oh yeah, dope. Yeah, he killed this. It's great.
Yeah, so instead of the water just like laying flat on the paint, it'll just roll right off with the coating. Of course, like you'll still want to dry the car, like if you wash it, you know, but it'll make the drying process so much easier.
Just beads right off. Look at that.
And then before it was coated, the paint was really grabby. Now the paint's pretty slick, so that means the towel's not gonna snag on the paint so much. So it'll be a little bit less likely to scratch up the paint or put more like swirls in it, you know?
So after just doing like a quick walk around of the vehicle, man, it looks night and day. Like the detailing and the ceramic coating that James put on with Doc Auto Spa, it looks so good. Like I wish Tesla actually just brought the paint. They shipped the car with the paint looking that good already. Like just seeing how slick it is and how just how good the paint looks. So I'm super excited about how it's supposed to be. It's supposed to last about a year, so we'll see how long it actually lasts. But super excited with how it came out, loving how it looks, and yeah, that's it for this one. If you guys enjoy the content, you know, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next one.